So I'm going to repeat it again for this side. I took my hook and eye closure, so I placed it along here, figured out that's where it fits best. I marked that with chalk, and then I'm going to cut not here but 1 centimeter away. I need to buy new scissors. Also, I'm using one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand, so sorry if the camera is shaky. So I'm going to open the pocket, and then this will go on the inside like that. And then I'm going to sew using a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch if I'm using the machine. If I'm doing it by hand, it's going to be a straight stitch over there. Okay, and then for this side, this is the side with the hooks. The hooks usually go like this. So what I'm going to do is flip, open it up. Yes, it's open. It has like a pocket. It's like a tackle. So open it up, insert it here, and then close it, and sew that using a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch. Actually, you should use a straight stitch on this hook side since it's really narrow. Okay, and then when that is done, my straps will be extendable, because now I can close it here, here, or here, which essentially makes my straps longer. As you can see, this is what it will look like when it's fully extended. And if it wasn't extended, let me remove these and set them aside. It would be this big. Compare, let me put this here, compare this with this. As you can see, I've made the armhole bigger and the straps are going to be longer, so they're even going to sit nicely on the shoulder. So that's my idea on how to make your sports bra shoulder straps more comfortable. When I saw it and finished the tutorial for this sports bra, I'll show you what that looks like. But I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know any comments or questions you may have by writing your comment. And if you have like a more detailed request or something, you can email me. My email address is in the description box and also in my about section on the channel page. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.